The GINGER project is an opportunity to experiment innovative social tools. For example, within the development of the co-creation methodology, we are trying out a new type of workshop aimed at putting citizens at the center of the regeneration of the neighborhood by involving them in deciding what actions are best for the neighborhood and involving them in the implementation of these actions. The GINGER project is an opportunity for Agence Parisienne du Climat to experiment with concerted actions. In an urban context as dense as the Parisian one, we believe that grouping together condominiums for transition actions are the way to a greener future. For example, condominiums could group together to purchase shutters together or do small renovation actions on their buildings. Likewise, they could group together to install bike storage for several buildings at once.